Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all the fun videos I have planned for the rest of the year. Today's video is an unboxing. Unboxing videos are actually my favorite videos to make because I just love getting new products. I love to research them after I get them, and I love to tell you guys all the things about them. If you guys don't know what the Jilly box is, Jillian Harris is a Canadian influencer. She was on The Bachelorette and she curated this box with her team Jilly, and they put in fabulous products that Jillian likes. She is also an interior designer. She lives in Kelowna and she's just like my huge girl crush. So she put out 5,000 of these boxes. There was over 80,000 people that wanted the boxes, and I was just one of the very lucky few that got a lifetime subscription. So the cost of the box is $170 per season, so you get 4 boxes a year, and this is the 2020 fall box. It is a little pricey, but I am willing to pay it to have all the things that Jillian loves. So let's get started with this unboxing. First thing I want to note is how pretty the box is. So all of her boxes, she's very like environmentally conscious, and all of her boxes are biodegradable or they can be used again. And when you open them, they have a nice color on the inside, and then they have this little space. Let's see if I can show you. This little space right here that you can write stuff on so you know what's inside the box when you turn it inside out. I don't personally keep the boxes, I just recycle them because I have too much stuff and I don't need more stuff. So let's get started with what's inside, and I will start with my very favorite item first, and that is the diffuser by Sage. So Jillian has done tons of collaborations with Sage, which is a Canadian company. They do oils and stuff. And let's take a look in here. I always wondered why she never put a diffuser in the box. This is the 4th box so far, and she's done so many collaborations with Sage, but she's never given us a diffuser. So I was stoked when it came with this one. It is a mini diffuser, so it's good for like a bedroom size, but I love the blush pink color. It's gonna fit so nicely with my bedroom, and I can't wait to set it up. I was waiting to do this unboxing before putting it into my room. So this mini diffuser is worth $78, and it also came with the mini oil. So this is the Unwind blend from Sage. So the next item in the box were these earrings by So Pretty by Cara Cotter. Give you a look-see at these. They're really beautiful. So these ones were worth $110, and they're 18 karat plated gold over 925 sterling silver. I really like these because I'm not a big earring person, but I do like the simplicity of them, and I would wear these as like an everyday type of earring. They're like big enough that they would make some sort of a statement, but they're small enough that you could wear them every day. I haven't even worn earrings in such a long time, and they actually go in super easy. Those are really pretty, really pretty. So next up is this face mask by Elwo. Here we are. So it says on it that this is for normal to dry skin. It naturally hydrates to restore radiance, and it gently exfoliates and cleanses impurities. The thing that I really loved about this was it came in this super cute apothecary looking jar. And then also it came with an application brush, which is also so like visually appealing. So the way that you're supposed to use this is take some of this out and you mix it with some water in a bowl, and then you use the brush to like paint your face, and then you wash it off after 5 to 10 minutes. This would be really cool for if you're like sitting in a bath, you're taking a nice long bath and you just want to feel a little more luxurious. This would be the perfect thing to do for that. So this one retails for $45 Canadian, and then the brush retails for $18 Canadian. So that's like a really good deal, the two of those together. We've already well surpassed the amount that the box is worth. This is the Barefoot Venus 100% natural mustard bath. This stuff smells so amazing, It's like a nice big jar too, and it's visually appealing. The scent is wintergreen, rosemary, and eucalyptus. I mean, you can smell all of those things as soon as you open it. But again, I'm gonna use this with this. I'm not a huge bath taker, but like to use these products, I will definitely be taking the bath. So it says that this is good for 4 baths, but I did see on Jillian's stories that she can like stretch it to 6 or 8 baths. This one's worth $21.50 Canadian. So the next 2 items I'm gonna show you are both wearable items. The first one is this Be Good long sleeve cotton tee by ATNP, definitely a Canadian company. And the price of this is $60 Canadian. And I like this because it's like a boyfriend tee, so it's oversized, but you can do so many things with it. I rolled up the sleeves on mine, and then I also just did a little bit of a front tuck. And then it's got a really cool design on the back, and it says Be Good at the front, which is something that like so many people need to hear. Just be good and be kind, people. So I really like this, and it will be perfect for fall wardrobe. And last but not least is the Olive Scarf by Jackson Rowe, which is also another Canadian company. This one is valued at $45, and I love this because it's a nice blush pink, which is gonna go great with all of my fall clothes that I buy in that color scheme. And it's a little bit bohemian, just like me, and it will be perfect for fall and a good transition into winter. It's nice and light, and it doesn't shed too much, which is a thing that I always look for with scarves because I hate the shedding. So I'll probably just run it through the washer just to get a little bit of the stuff off, and then lay it flat to dry, just so it gets like that first layer of fuzzy stuff off, and then I think it'll be good for fall. There was also a $20 gift card for the Jilly digital store where she has prints and her presets available. She's given 2 of these before in other Jilly boxes, and I've used them to buy all of her presets. So now I have the full collection of the Jilly presets, and that's what I use to get my Instagram to be cohesive. So another good find. I'll probably use this one to order a print, maybe something for my daughter's room, or maybe something as a gift for somebody. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the 2020 Fall Jilly box. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite product was. Also, let me know if there are other subscription boxes that you think I should be trying out, because I am here for a subscription box and I love to share all the products with you guys. And sometimes there are things that I don't use that I'll use to do like a giveaway with my subscribers on YouTube or maybe my followers on Instagram. So let me know what kind of things you guys are into down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new around here. And I will catch up with you guys next week in a new video. Bye!